Good morning to all. Electrical machine design EMD topic design of interpoles. Problem 1. Design the commutating pole and winding for a 600 kW 230 volt 6 pole 1000 RPM lap on DC generator giving the following details. 1. Action length, 2nd width, 3rd height, 4th total ampere turns for interpole winding, 5th turns per commutating pole, 6th area of cross sectional for interpole winding. Given values D is equal to 80 cm, DYI is equal to 130 cm, capital L is 30 cm, LG is equal to 0.54 cm, number of slots is equal to 99, conductors per slot is equal to 4. Solution. Second, axial length of interpole LIP is equal to bracket of 0.5 to 0.75 bracket L. Theoretical parts are given in that formula. Continuation of solution. Capital LIP is equal to 0.6 L, that is 0.6 into 38 is equal to 22.8 cm. Second, WIP is equal to width of interpole is equal to 1.5 towers. Towers is equal to slot pitch, that is pi divided by S. Pi divided by S. D is equal to 80 cm. WIP is equal to 1.5 towers, that is 1.5 into pi into 80 divided by 99, that is WIP is equal to 3.81. That is the answer. Continuation of solution. Design of interpole. Third, height of interpole HIP is equal to DYI minus capital D divided by 2 minus LGIP. Kindly know seen in notes where DI is the inner diameter of the yoke. LGIP air gap length under the interpole. LGIP is equal to bracket of 1.5 to 1.75 bracket LG, that is formally. LG is equal to length of the air gap under main pole. Solution. LGIP is equal to bracket of 1.5 to 1.75 bracket LG. Take LGIP is equal to 1.5 LG. 1.5 and 0.54 is equal to 0.81 cm. LGIP value is 0.81 cm. That is answer. HIP, that is height of interpole, is equal to DYI minus D divided by 2 bracket of minus LGIP. DYI is equal to 130. D is equal to 80. Put required values. We find HIP values 24.2 cm. Continuation of solution. HIP is equal to 24.2 cm. That is answer. Fourth, ATIP is equal to ATA plus 0.796 BIP KGIP into LGIP into 10%. IP is interpole. ATA is equal to IA dash is divided by 2P. IA is equal to capacity divided by voltage. That is 600 into 10 power 3 divided by 2. That is equal to 2608.7. Solution. Continuation of solution of design of interpoles. IA dash is equal to IA divided by parallel paths. That is IA divided by 6. That is 6 is number of poles value. IA divided by 6 poles proportional to number of parallel paths. IA divided by 6. That is 2608.7 divided by 6. ATA is equal to IA dash into number of slots into conductors plus slot divided by 2 into 6. ATA is equal to IA dash is divided by 2P. So continuation of solution. Design of interpoles. ATA is equal to 260.8.7 divided by 6 bracket into 99 into 4 divided by 2 into 6. ATA is equal to 14347. ATIP is equal to ATA plus 0.796 BIP KGIP into LGIP into 10%. Put required values. We obtain ATIP is approximately is equal to 17,156. 17,156. That is the answer. Solution. Continuation of solution. Design of interpoles. Number of turns. TIP is equal to ATIP divided by IA. Put required values. We obtain TIP is equal to 6.58, approximately equal to 7. That is the answer. Continuation of solution. Design of interpoles. AIP is equal to IA divided by del IP. Assume del IP is equal to 2 to 2.5 ampere per millimeter square. Put required values. We obtain AIP is equal to 1043.5. That is the answer. Good morning to all. Electrical machine design EMD topic design of interpoles. Problem 2. Following data has been obtained during the preliminary design of 500 kW 460 volts 315 RPM 8 pole DC generator. Given details. Capital D is equal to 105 cm. DYI is equal to 158 cm. L capital L is 37 cm. LJ is equal to 0.8 cm. Continuation of problem. Given details. Number of slots is equal to 111. Conductors per slot is equal to 4. Design the interpole for the machine giving the following data. First, axial length of interpole, width of interpole, height of interpole, turns per interpole, area of cross section, resistance of interpole, copper losses. Solution. First, LIP is equal to 0.6 L, that is axial length of interpole is 0.6 into 37. LIP is equal to 22.2 centimeter. WIP, width of interpole is equal to 1.5 towers. Towers equal to pi d divided by s. 1.5 into pi into 105 divided by 111. WIP is equal to 4.4 pi. Height of interpole HIP is equal to DYI minus D divided by 2 whole bracket minus LGIP. LGIP is equal to 1.5 LG, that is 1.5 into 0.8 is equal to 1.2 centimeter. Height of interpole is put required value in above formula we obtain 25.3 centimeter. ATIP, that is turns per interpole, mm required for interpole is equal to ATA plus 0.796 BGIP into KGIP into LGIP into 10%, that is formula. Explain theory classes. ATA is equal to IA dash Z divided by 2P. IA is capacity divided by voltage. Put required value is obtained. IA is equal to 106.9 ampere. Continuation of solution. IA dash is equal to IA divided by P. That is 106.9 divided by 8. That is IA dash is equal to 135.9. ATA is equal to 135 into 111 into 4 divided by 2 into 8. That is 3771.2. Previous classes I explained formula of ATA. ATIP, area of cross section of interpole is equal to 3771.2 plus 0.796 into 0.4 into 1.1 into 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power 6. ATIP value is 7974.1. Continuation of solution. Number of turns of pole T interpole, that is TIP is equal to ATIP divided by IA. Put required values we have TIP is equal to 7.34 approximately age. AAP is cross section area of the conductor of the interpole, that is AAP is equal to IA divided by del IP. Del IP is current density assumed value 106.9 divided by 2.5. AAP is 434.76 we obtained. Continuation of solution. RIP, resistance of an interpole is equal to rho LMIP TIP divided by AIP. LMIP is equal to length of conductor divided by 2, 98.4 divided by 2, that is 49.2 centimeter. LMIP, length of conductor capital L plus free length 37.61.4 is equal to 98.4 centimeter. Free length LFR is equal to 14 plus 1.15 tau per centimeter. Theoretical classes we explain that formula. Continuation of solution. LFR free length is equal to 14 plus 1.15 pi d divided by p, that is 14 plus 1.15 into pi into 105 divided by 8, that is 61.4 centimeter. RIP, resistance of the interpole is 2 into 10 power minus 8 into 49.2 into 8 divided by 434.74 into 10 power minus 4. Previous classes that I explained that formula. RIP is equal to 1.81 into 10 power minus 4, that is 0.181 into 10 power minus 3. Continuation of solution. Copper losses is equal to IA squared into RIP. 186.9 into 0.181 into 10 power minus 3. That is copper loss is equal to 0.196 watts. That is lesson of interpole is finished. Electrical machine design. EMG. Topic. Design of commutator brushes. Commutator and brushes. Model questions. Design at 250 kilowatt 400 volt 625 ampere 600 RPM lap on DC compound generator provided with suitable commutator winding to ensure spark less compression. Permissible limit of the following quantities should not exceed the values given below. 1 peripheral speed, second peripheral speed of the arm is 25 meter per second. Second, voltage between the commutator segment 15 volt. Third, iron losses is equal to 3 kilowatts. Fourth, total losses of full load is 18 kilowatts. Temperature rise of any part, that is 50 degrees Celsius. Theory classes we explain design of formula. Using that formula, design that model questions. Thank you.